a spark of light, and suddenly the world is breathing. A sea of color, wide and slow, a drifting sky that moves like water. Lines are dancing wild in flow, as if they've stepped beyond all borders. Between the fire and the water, between the quiet and the call, you feel the colors growing bolder and the courage in them all. A stroke of red, a flame in flight, cuts through the calm of deep blue spaces. So bold, so warm, so bright with might, it lifts the blue to shining places. So blue horizon, red uprising, a song of light and harmony, where colors wander, ever rising. The silence turns to melody. The shapes are whispering, soft and clear. They carry sparks across the ocean. A quiet realm grows ever near, where colors rise with a new devotion. Between the fire and the water, between the quiet and the call, you feel the colors growing bolder and the courage in them all. Alive, aglow, a heartbeat running through the painting, a glowing streak where fires grow, and art begins its dream creating. The blue stays endless, the line stays bright, and in the shimmer of sound lives endless light. Cradled in blue, a spark of light, and suddenly the world is breathing. A sea of color, wide and slow, a drifting sky that moves like water. Lines are dancing wild in flow, as if they've stepped beyond all borders. Between the fire and the water, between the quiet and the call, you feel the colors growing bolder